Siphinde sinibingelele kwiKhaya TV2. Wena-ke uqala ukungena kuleli khasi siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini, usubscribe, ushare le video. Ilunga le-MK Party lithi le khabhinethi kaRamaphosa oyibonayo kade yaqala yaplana. Kodwa-ke mina ngingageqa amagula, awuyizwele wena ukuthi libeka kanjani indaba.
Commanders morning. Asethembe ukuthi niphilile makhosikazi. Engizokusho bomama. Siyibonile sonke i-cabinet kaRamaphosa. Lento kaRamaphosa ne-DA akusiyinto eyenzeke ngo-2024. It's something that they've drafted a long time, if I'm not mistaken, 2018. So bebemele this time ukuthi surface. They knew ukuthi by 2024 this coalition yabo izo succeed. But what they didn't know or planned ukuthi kuzoba ne-MK ezovumbuka. They thought ukuthi kwi-plan labo the only organization abazoyishiya ukuthi ibe ilokhuzana ezoba opposition party bekuyi-EFF. So lawa amanye bewazowagwinya vele ngaphansi kwani kwe-coalition yeganule yabo. So ukuvela kwe-MK ibese idisturba kancane i-planning yabo ne-strategy sabo. But still, because it was planned a long time ago, they've decided to let them go ahead with it. Yabona ukuthi ngoba vele bekuyinto abayiplanile. uRamaphosa vele bekazi ukuthi this year uzobenikezela nge-ANC full time. Nalecala lephalaphala bayavumelana ukuthi ayeke bamgwebe for lona, uzobe sahamba ayohlala abroad, meaning eDubai. Unendlu unayo yonke into, amabhizinisi wakho nje ubona namabhizinisi aloku ethutha kancane kancane. Even i-share it was threatening ukuthi he is living in South Africa. So I don't know if or sebena change of heart because i-DA ngathi take over njengoba sephinda ngathi yahlala, but amabhizinisi amaningi bebewamuvela e-Western Cape, abanye behamba beyaphesheya including uRamaphosa. Ndoda eDubai konje ayikho phesheya. Yes. So i-MK yasiyaphazamisa, but ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo bafudumeza izitulo bazophuma. i-MK izotake over. Ningapheli umoya bomama, ningapheli umoya. Imbokodo ngizimisele ukuthi ibe imbokodo mayiqine. Yithi sizoqinisa labo baba isibindi, yithi sizoqinisa i-utility yethu isibindi, sime njengabo abomama uWinnie Mandela abamasha. You understand? Asingalahli umoya, asibeni strong, asibakhuthazeni even kuma-group. Mesingenile egroupini enkulu, let us tell them ukuthi this is not over, this is the beginning. You understand? Ye-game i-South Africa ngeke zisiphunyuke. i-South Africa siyibambe ngezandla zombili. Just that baqhubeka ngenkani ukudiscourage abantu as much as sokwenzeka abantu babaqala manje baba-discourage. Yabo ningixolela ivoice yami ngathi ngibanjwa umkhuhlane ifuna ukuhamba, so mengingazwakali kahle nizongixolela. Yeah, bafuna ukuthi abantu babe discourage by continuing doing what they are doing. uRamaphosa njengoba engayibeka i-cabinet is not because ibheka nalento ukuthi i-DA ithi bangayibeki iphula out. No, it was a strategy ebekasibekile ukuthi kube ngazathi, but bona already bebazi. And mekezohlangana ne-MK bekafuna ukuthola ukuthi MK imephi, but MK imnqishile ingqondo yokuthi ibheke ephi yenzani. That's when I decided ukuthi kube ngathi uyayibeka i-cabinet. Beyivele ikhona this cabinet ekhona manje. Nabona, so nje ngicela ukuthi sicine bomama, singalahli umoya, kube yithi esiqinisa labo mama, kube yithi esiqinisa le youth, kube yithi esiqinisa labo baba, kube yithi esiqinisa i-group enkulu. You understand? So kuzoba right yonke into. Believe me, I'm still saying September kuzoba ne-revote. I don't know which date, but September kuzoba ne-revote. That's what they've been telling me. Don't ask who, but yeah, September kuzoba ne-revote. I submit.